also want attention now. Hi. Good morning everyone and welcome to the channel. It is Tuesday today, so I'm just going to do a bit of maintenance on the blue car. There's not much I can really do. I'm waiting on the Kia. The Kia is coming back on Wednesday, which would be tomorrow. But like I mentioned in the previous video, the next time you guys will see the Kia will basically be ready to be sold. There's actually no auctions. I'm busy live streaming auctions out of the province, so you guys can check out my live section for that. There's a MFC, there's a Standard Bank, so yeah, Joburg and the Durban auction you guys can check out. So yeah, we're gonna be busy with the blue car today. We've been so busy with other cars, we haven't been able to give the blue car some attention, so we're gonna take the car for a minor service at VagSpec. My passenger headlight, the bulb is on its way out from what it looks like, and then I saw in a short that I uploaded on YouTube the other day, my reverse light on the driver's side is also not working, so should be quick fixes. The passenger headlight bulb I should have 1 year, and then the rest of the stuff we'll just get down the road from Midas. And yeah, I guess the car just needed some attention. So the reason we're doing a minor service on the car, when I got the blue car last year, it went to VagSpec as well. We did a major service, gearbox service, diff service and a transfer case service on the car, hence why we're only doing a minor this year. And the service is only based on, it's a yearly service, interval service. I've only done 5,000 kilometers on the car from last year to this year, so yeah, it's more looking after what's looking after me, I guess. So let's hit the road. So we're on the road now. I had to go buy another phone holder because the other one is inside the Kia and that one's only coming back tomorrow, and I can't wait the whole day and lose a day's footage. So yeah, so bit of an expensive day-ish probably today, but like I mentioned, you need to look after what looks after you. So we're just gonna hit the jump quickly, get that out of the way, and then from there we will go to VagSpec because everything is in proximity of one another. So from me to go to Jump will probably take me about 10 minutes, and then to drive from Jump to VagSpec probably like 5 minutes. So try and bundle everything in and save as much time as possible to minimize the time that we spend everywhere. And then I need to get home and probably take out the passenger headlight bulb and find my one that I have at home, because I didn't recall I have bought one previously and I realized the headlight wasn't an issue quite some time ago, but that was easily a year ago, so I would hope that bulb still works. And then I'll get a bulb on the way to Jump. Midas is there as well, so I'll just get the reverse bulb at Midas. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. The best part of owning a R32, always. So we're on our way to VagSpec now. We just left the gymnasium, gym, whatever you want to call it. Like I mentioned, the drive is about 5 minutes, so we should be there shortly. Hopefully I'll get to film you guys what the workshop looks like there. There will be customers' cars there, so I'm not sure how much I will be able to film, but we'll try. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the other side when I'm pulling up there. So Johan is gonna sort the car out. So Johan is the workshop manager at VagSpec. up because it's too low. So what Johan just mentioned now, so the R32 uses the same oil filter as the 1.9 TDI. I actually didn't know that. Yeah, he's quite happy with the car. The car is still in a very good condition for its age. And that's what the bottom of the car looks like. So everything here roughly a year ago was put in brand new. So just gonna refit the exhaust where it should go, and this is from scraping. Just moved out of place. So we're probably gonna come back next week just to replace this bushing here as well. And then one of the pulleys up here, it's the alternator pulley somewhere up there. It's chirping, so we're gonna change that and replace the serpentine belt, they call it as well, because we are there anyway. Hi people, so we are all done at VagSpec. Car serviced, everything's fine. This is probably the fourth time I'm shooting this part of the video now because it is super hot. It's 37 degrees at the moment, and you know the battle with the iPhone and the heat, so I couldn't use the camera. But anyway, yeah, the guys are happy with the car. Car is good at the bottom. The only thing is one of the pulleys in the alternator, and then seeing that we're going to replace that, we might as well just change all the pulleys and the belt because we will be busy there anyway. I'll probably look at doing that in the next week or two, and then we're also probably going to do a video with the guys as well, so stay tuned for that. I met the owner today as well, very nice guy. He's a subscriber of the channel as well, so he's also been watching, which is great. And yeah, I've been using their services for the past 3 years now, issue free. Their customer service is fantastic. So yeah, I would highly recommend them, not only for VW and Audis, but for any manufacturer. I'm going back there tomorrow with my daddy's car. He's driving a 4 2-liter diesel, so they'll sort that service out as well. The Mazda CX-3 has been there also before I sold it, so highly recommend it from my side, not only for servicing but for mechanical related work as well. I'll drop the details in the description down below so that you guys can see where they are. They are in Stikland in the northern suburbs, so check them out. So as soon as we get home, we're gonna replace the passenger headlight bulb. Like I mentioned, I should have one, just a matter of finding it, but I'll probably find it in a cupboard of a lot of spares. And then yeah, Johan was kind enough to sort out the bulb at the back that was giving an error, so that's sorted as well. So everything I would have liked to do today seems like it's gonna get done. So I'll catch you guys on the other side. So we'll see him tomorrow again, and this one is going to VagSpec tomorrow.